Yung witness po, kung witness ka lang sa isang criminal case, you can only invoke your right against self-incrimination when a question is propounded to you. That's the only time. But if you are an accused already, you can refuse altogether to testify. And that is in a criminal case in an actual court. How much more here in the Senate, no? Kaya nga, may motion for reconsideration actually kami doon sa Regional Trial Court, doon sa ruling sana na inallow si Pastor to testify, and we informed the Senate, no, about it as early as yesterday afternoon. But I was surprised, I don't know, it was not even taken up in the proceedings this afternoon. Pero masaya pa rin ako sa nangyari kanina.
Why?
Alam mo bakit ako masaya?
Why?
I'll tell you straight kaagad kasi itong kasama ko magaling na abogado ito, veterano ito. Ang nakita ko kasi kanina, matagal na rin tayo sa practice po, ang dami naming nalaman sa kanila. Alam na namin ngayon kung sino yung mga 5 unidentified witnesses. Alam na namin kung ano yung...
Baka lang, malamang.
Baka lang. Alam na namin ano ang mga testimonya nila lahat. Pero wala talaga silang nalaman galing sa amin. Yun, no? So, for us, if ever there will be cases that will be filed later on, we can already anticipate and project. And of course, prepare. Yun ang pinaka-importante doon. So, kaya nga, maganda yung nangyari kanina. Even if under attack lahat si Pastor, but he was able to acquit himself very well during the hearing. And because of that, no, in my heart, alam ko naman lahat yun mga paratang lamang because of the political season and because of the political divisiveness that we have in our country today. But at the end of the day, so long as the sun rises in the east, justice will prevail.